Kotoko the new Jesse Naba, Ama, I'm here ranting on social media, the debate, has to folk the Vena Modeba.
Someone say season bia be sha see teams no obia enya new jersey new training kit ni bibia ye di share season nase na ye omo last season house of folk for ekofa jersey bi bae ema kotoko for twetwe wo mo say ye Sweden ye na we say see na we say see na kotoko de ni dia ba na house of wo so asum na akoye twimamntwi we twiwe na we twiwe this season kotoko de ni dia ba kotoko edika ne de dia ba na anya sam kutu ho ekromu ase badwo kotoko ni de ba na manfo kasa yi na jesi be ni na we de na nra ye expect is has to focus on the omo de beba ene ye twin be ye opare ado ye has to focus PR oni ye bisa ne se abo na ye mo nuanu mo kotoko for edikend yo mo jesi mo season jesi on be she away home ni third jesi nyina aba any training kit nyina aba na mo hunu say has to focus mo ade na mo de ba ade na mo de acheka in fact and someone PRO of Opare de to dwa no masa enye easy o na ye man kofa e ba kofa na no die sem na ba nsem na okanya no wasi omo no has to focus no omo ni competitors owo oman we mu hey omo ni competitors owo oman we mu no omo competitors nyina wo abrochiri they compete with teams big teams na wo outside no na team na say okroma de bia nye omo size enti no wo de me mama no kasa nya bebre yenkoti ni Opare ado akanye na oba e be toss nti so nya subscribe de bomodi ansa be subscribe na ori notification so ato on na bibi biara e be post no wonso won sabaka na wetimi adwane feed no
Kotoko the new Jesse Naba, Ama, I'm here ranting on social media, the debate, has to folk the Vena Modeba.
Last season, when Kotoko Omudomu Jesse buy, and I told you that the Jesse that will bring, it will take years because before the other teams will catch up to it. Well, let me say, even before Mesha here, Obesha, when you were board chairman and Ojina Horn, Toby Afede the 14th, on the House of Folk Executive Board Chairman, and say every phobia and everywhere, see, I didn't das here at the manor. Because the contribution and as any effort and any dream, the ambition to make sure that the club, everything is on his laps. Into Yada, I see in a bumpire man, not direction or the air corneana, yet me as supportive, so that there will be very much success for this club as well. The pre-season we've been training for yesterday 29th of last month, so we've been training over 30 days. So far it has been good. Everything has gone on very well for us, and we share the kind of play that we have witnessed in all of the training matches, together with our daily training activities. Everything tells that gradually we are building a team. Next season we should be able to make ourselves proud as a family.
House of Folk, new players are joining them on, and the supporters are buying. Be a common say they've been so instrumental in their preseason games and more ball. Are they going to beef up the squad as in coming to get results for the Phobia family?
Well, when him said this is the biggest club here, anybody that is in this team, it means that you have something that is very positive. Here, I mean, based on technical advice in Tinia Dubai, nobody just comes here because you are coming to add up keke. You are in here to make sure that you play your role. Every responsibility, be coaches and everybody on whichever day you have to make sure that you deliver, because that is why they go through the pre-season activities. Their coaches, we all expect that when the season starts, share first game against Red Tamale United, even though the learning will continue still be there, but we must reproduce whatever that we have seen here. The joy that we want to put on every Phobian's face, we'll continue to do that. It will not come easy, but this is football. We have to take it match after match, game after game, and make sure that after week 34, there should be some positive news for us.
Last season, we all know maybe another team next season, the preseason games are more goals, are more performance, are more diary, new head coach, new technical team. The hopes of the supporters are to win the trophy. Are you hitting on it, or they should lower the expectations?
Well, a collective responsibility. As much as everybody expects that the communication department will deliver, and we should all expect that the players will also deliver on the pitch. It's the same thing that say as supporters we must also deliver. Delivering means that anytime when there's a club activity, in this case we are talking about the league, we want to see every Phobian at the stadium feel the stands. Say opponent bakra keke na say otunani every stands na so who the number of Phobians in there. That alone says a lot. You understand? So that is what we all expect to do. Say nipa baako etimi egina ne nan so aye we nyina de ama team na yen so ye nyina are supporting ye betimi aye e de ada na asida ne say we fill the stadium every day so that when we get in there collectively we'll be able to get it done. Me and can say nipa baako adwuma there be entimi nya nipa baako adwuma. As much as I feel say it is a players no or maybe we are pitching us no yen so in the stands we must also make sure that we are well represented.
Hey, has to book ni kotoko die. Ase e kuranfo mienu omuti aware ba kwase. We too, no we have to. Someone what in your Opare do can you say? How many competitors for Ghana? Not just say Ghana teams no one any year across the football site. Omo competitors our abrochi big teams now what Europe no. And no, and now omo competing, you know. I see yeah expecting something big, something unique, something extraordinary. What does it across the foot? Because House of Folk there, omo ni mu adepa, omo ni mu ye na jese na omo de ba no. E chen kroi e blinke osha enu abobbo na mawo and so the moment I'm chuku na yen twen ya Accra House of Folk for e de beba abatudwa yen hwe say aso the omo de ba no e betwa kotoko anase e bedi kotoko achi enti gbomode so subscribe to the channel na odi notification na to on be biara House of Folk de beba no ma mun sukra ends media mondan yen ye de nya ba bramo ye damase